about to finish doing the wig that I bought on Amazon for 40 bucks. But I was still excited because I wanted me a short wig for the summertime, and I been natural again for probably like the third time. For when did I cut my hair off? Was it my birthday? April, May, June. No, it was probably after my birthday. No, it was well before my birthday. Yeah, that's when I did it in January. And I was getting it cut. I turned it like a blonde, a light blonde. It's actually growing out the blonde. I have a few pictures I'll try and insert in here. How it looked when I first got it cut, and then I went to red, and then I did a whole bunch of stuff. I think I got my hair cut off before Christmas. It's probably in November or something, or October. I don't know. But anyway, um, yeah, I bleached the knots and kind of accidentally bleached some of the hair. I wore it like that because you can really tell. But let me see if I can fix this where you can see it. Because I'm in the bathroom right now. So just gonna get my brush. But I bleached the knots if you can see here. Because it was kind of like that, it had black knots in it. So I bleached it a little. So it's kind of a short bob. And I just had it laying on the counter. But it's a short bob. And that's how I kind of look. I kind of already wore it. So what I'm about to do is I'm going to tone it to make it a little bit more a scalp color, because it has like a red in it and I don't really care for it. And then I'll probably show you what it looks like after I do that little part. It's only like a 4x4, so it's not like a lot of lace, so it's not going to take me that long. And then I'll put it on for you so you can see how it looks. But right now I'm gonna go ahead and tone it, and I'll try and style it a little bit for you as well. So stay tuned. So this is what it looks like now. If I hold it up, see, looks way better. It's not like a lot of red in it anymore. It's actually almost kind of a clear, if you can see it. Make sure. Trying to hold it up. But I'm gonna try and put it on this doll, even though it's like dripping wet. Dripping wet. But I'm gonna try and see if I can turn it around for y'all. As you can see, I'm gonna put it on here. Just so if I can get a, still got a little red in it, but I mean, she wouldn't have this. She wouldn't have this scalp, but maybe somebody with color would have it. Oh, See, that's what I get for not putting the pins in there. I'm gonna put the pins in there to hold it. I swear this, it looks crazy now, but I've already wore it. I think I wore it. Yeah, I already wore it. And it was cute. So, you'll see. Ouch. My arm was itching. It's wet. Now I got hair everywhere. Cut her right here. Comb her. Let's see. Like I said, it's a real sharp up. I actually wore it to the side. I didn't even wear like a middle part. I kind of wore it to the side. And it was cute. Cute. Let's see if I can do it a little bit to the side and see what it looks like. So, what the heck? Oh. So, that's what it looks like now. I don't know how much of to the side I can bring it because, like I said, it's only a 4x4. So, can't do a lot of a side point because then it'll probably show the track that's on the wig. But I think I can come over a little bit more to about there and get away with it. And I had already cut me like some little things, some little swoops. So we're gonna see what it come out like once it dry. And I style it because I did do some little bangs for it. And you probably can see like where the lace is still kind of brown. But looks a little bit more realistic now. You can see the lace. Those little hairs I cut from my little baby hairs. We're gonna let it dry. So stay tuned because it's a process. So this is just me showing you what I do before I put my wig on. Basically wash it, shampoo it, then gel it down and kind of sit under the dryer for a little while, let it dry. This is me again. As you can see, I done put this wig on my head already. I glued it down in the front right here. So I had to put my band across. I forgot to show that stuff, but I basically just put some bonding glue, not bonding glue, but the wig glue right here. I don't do it like all the way because I don't always keep my wigs on for more than 3 or 4 days because I be kind of scared that the glue may irritate my skin, or because it's my first time using this glue, this particular glue. I have used I think both of them before about 2 weeks ago, and I didn't have any
any issues with. I just didn't like having to take it off. Because when you take it off, it was like really messy and, you know, gross, and half on the stocking cap and half in the hair, and it was just a mess. And I can see why people was pulling out their hair, because you can't help but, you know, it's soaked into the cap, which soaked into your hair, which, you know, so you have to be careful. And by the time you get ready to take it out, you're frustrated, your hair is smelly, you just ready to get it off and get your hair shampooed and all that, so you're not taking the appropriate steps to get the products and stuff out of your hair. And also I basically just put it right at my edges, not in my hair, but around my, and I trace it, and I put it on my skin. And I don't care about it getting in this hair. I just want you to get on my bed hair. That's how I do it. And then when I get ready to take it off, then I get baby oil, alcohol, something like that. The makeup wipes are pretty good as well. And I just basically start rubbing it until it just pretty much come out by itself or slide out. I don't want no pull. I don't want no breakage. I don't want anything like that in my, you know, on my edges. I want my edges because I don't ever know what I'm gonna do. So that's what I'm doing right now. I kind of like my little thing. I don't know what it looked like in the back. It probably look crazy in the back because I got these scarves from Harwin. I've been having them probably for like 3 years now, but I got them from Harwin, and they're not really square. They're more rectangles, so they don't just cover my head good. So I always had this little poke, and I either always have to tuck it or something to make it look cute. But I be loving my little hair rags. I mean, yeah, that's what I call them, hair rags, because they be looking cute, especially if I can find the outfit to match it. But anyway, that's what I'm doing right now.
So, I took the headscarf off and I just bumped it under because I didn't feel like doing nothing major. Right now I'm just trying to get it as flat as I can possibly get it. Trying to get it as flat as possible because you know, it looks funny when you have that little hump or whatever. Big. Oh, this has sticking out here. So I just bumped it all the way around and try to do a little bit of baby hairs right up in here. There's this piece of hair sticking up. I don't know. But Moose is your friend. Moose is your friend. When you're dealing with all these flower hairs. And I just pretty much kind of try to lay the flat iron on there to flatten it out as possible. And I've been trying to fix it because I cut it and it now don't look right to me, but whatever, it'll do. I just wanted to kind of make it look like mine as much as possible. And then I didn't want to bring it. I had to part like way over here, but the hair looked funny, so I did it like a off kind of a part. So it's gonna have to do because I'm not gonna do this over. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna do it over. I'm just not. So that's kind of how it looks. I'm probably gonna put a little curl here, just up in here or whatever. Cause I don't like wearing it in my face, so I kind of just put me a little curl there, and it'll do one of these little numbers. And then I gotta fix the back because the back, like, it's not even, so I'm gonna have to cut it like somewhere here. I don't know. You gotta be willing to work with it. When you doing professional. So I just kind of want to put like a little curl in here. So I'm just gonna take the curl lines. I don't need to go back to curl lines because me and these curl lines, we don't be that long. It's just like it ain't working for me. It's flat iron. But yeah. And you be looking at it and you be like, oh, I don't like that. So I can kind of. So I'm thinking about like having it up a little bit. I don't know, maybe not. I think that's what makes us all looking like an old lady. But I am. I am an old lady. I don't know what side this came from, but I don't know. I don't know. But anyway, this is kind of gonna be the finished touch, the finishing touch. This is what it looked like. It's probably what it'll be looking like tomorrow when I go to work. And I don't think that's bad. It could look worse. That's decent for me to go out in public. Yeah. So that's it for my wig. I need to fix this. It's actually supposed to be into this little I cut it to make this right here, and I think it was I cut too much. But we gonna definitely have to cut that because it's gonna irritate me. But yeah, this is it. That's all I'm gonna do. You can see the back. That's the back. I can't see it. I don't have my glasses on. But that's it. So see you next time. I always wanted to do this.